How do soil types influence Napa Valley grape varietals? Imagine walking through a vineyard and feeling the earth beneath your feet. The ground you stand on plays a big role in shaping the wines you taste later. Napa Valley is famous for its wide variety of soils, which have developed over millions of years from volcanic eruptions, shifting tectonic plates, and ancient seas. This natural history has created a patchwork of soil types across the region, each with its own personality. These differences in soil influence how grapevines grow and what kind of grapes they produce. In Napa Valley, the soils are classified by their texture, mineral content, drainage, and fertility. There are over 30 different soil series and more than 100 variations, including volcanic ash, clay, gravel, loam, and alluvial deposits. The valley floor is mostly covered with deep, nutrient-rich alluvial soils left behind by rivers and streams. These soils hold plenty of water and support vigorous vine growth, making them ideal for certain grapes. On the other hand, the hillsides and mountain slopes feature shallower, rockier soils that drain well and have less nutrients. These conditions naturally limit vine growth, leading to smaller berries with more concentrated flavors, which are perfect for premium wines. The type of soil directly affects which grape varieties thrive. Western Napa Valley soils are mostly sedimentary, gravelly, and alluvial loams. These well-drained soils are great for Cabernet Sauvignon because they stress the vines just enough to produce grapes with intense flavor and structure. The gravelly loam soils in areas like Rutherford help create wines with rich fruit and from tannins. Moving east, the volcanic soils with heavier clay content retain more moisture and stay cooler. These conditions are suited for Merlot and Syrah, which benefit from the extra water and cooler temperatures to develop their full body and deep color. In the cooler southern parts of Napa near San Pablo Bay, the soils tend to have more clay and marine sediments. These soils, combined with the cooler climate, are perfect for Chardonnay and Pinot Noir. The moisture-retaining clay helps these grapes develop bright acidity and mineral notes. Chardonnay especially benefits from calcium-rich soils, which can add a touch of crispness and complexity to the wine. Growers in Napa Valley are very careful about matching grape varieties to soil types. They plant Cabernet Sauvignon in gravelly, well-drained soils where water stress concentrates flavors. Meanwhile, Chardonnay and Pinot Noir are often found in cooler, clay-rich areas that keep the vines happy and healthy. Rootstock choice is also important because some rootstocks handle drought and rocky soils better than others, helping ensure healthy vines and high-quality fruit. Soil types don't work alone. They interact with Napa Valley's microclimates, which vary from one part of the region to another. This combination of soil, climate, and grape variety creates the diverse styles of wine Napa is known for. From powerful Cabernet Sauvignon to delicate Pinot Noir, each wine reflects the ground it grew in. This natural diversity is part of what makes Napa Valley a special place for wine lovers. When you visit, remember that each vineyard's unique soul story influences the flavors in your glass.